Got tired of using my phone for all these videos I'm doing for you guys, so I decided to buy myself the cheapest camcorder that Amazon sold. It's actually the cheapest I could find anywhere where I actually trusted the place I was buying it from. Link in the description below for this. It came in late, about a day, 2 days late. This is brand new. Or it thinks it's second, I guess. I don't know what that's all about. I know I bought it brand new because it's out of stock, used. And then as soon as I bought it, it was out of stock new. It has over 3,000 reviews. Thought that was pretty good. Okay, that is the box it comes in. Thinking then there'd be another box. Another box. Box is not in too good a condition. I would definitely say they shipped me a used one. I know it wasn't used. Camcorder made in China. It claims it's 4K. Any video that you see from here on out will most likely be recorded with this, and every single video of my 3D printer playlists will be recorded with this. Saying it's only 1080. I know it said 4K on the thing. Thinking they may have sent me the wrong one. Big good unboxing video. Yeah, I got the wrong. Nope, it's the right one. I ended up buying a light for the top. There's a few of them on Amazon. If you guys want to read this manual, pause it and screenshot it and then zoom up on your screenshot. I'm not going to sit on each one of these for you guys. I'll probably read it and go over it later. See how I can get the best quality out of it. Going to be using a 128 gigabyte card in it. Nice manual, only in English. That's pretty nice. Just some packing. A charge brick. Let's see how many what it charges at. It charges at half an amp, 5 volt, 1000 milliamps, so it's a 1 amp basically. A cord. Looks like it's going to be micro USB. Maybe to charge it or do a live feed straight from it. A remote with a 2025 battery. The normal cheap remotes. I wish they never invented them. A battery. Let's see. Whoa. Let's see if it can drop and still make it. It is a 1500 milliamp NP40. So if you want to buy an extra one, there you go. Thinking this is either the charger for it or another battery. And it is another battery. Same one. Contacts are on the side. It tells you where the positive and negative are if you're using a universal charger. That's pretty cool. Looks like it's going to have to be charged in the device itself. That's not cool. And nothing else in there. Not a very fancy box. The outside, I love it. It's so compact. I remember my parents' recorder when it was a cassette tape you almost put in there. There's padding on the side, kind of like a backpack. That's really nice. I'm really impressed with the quality. There's a hook there if you're wanting to hook it to something, I guess. It is Velcro, not magnet. And the inside is a nice liner. They last about 10 years, that type of liner, and then they start falling apart. The inside of it, there's no pockets to hold anything. Does feel really good though. I kind of like the front padding and how it has a hook on the side. That's nice. Better put my knife up from that unboxing. Okay, now the device itself. It's that fingerprint, nice shiny plastic. Has a sticker on the side we can rip off. 24 megapixel 1080p, 16 zoom. Got a nice spot for stuff to slide in up there, which I have a light that's coming in. The zoom in and out, the button feels good, but it feels like there's a ton of air like around it. It feels like if you jammed it too hard, it'd probably break off and be on the side. I think that is the button to take a picture. It's also very, very light. Yeah, feels like a torpedo. It has the, thank God, they don't really advertise that, but there is the 1/4-inch screw on the bottom for a tripod, and the locking mechanism if you're using a really nice one. I used to have a tripod that did that. See what it feels like in the hand. Feels like I could throw it like a baseball. Feels like it goes as far as a baseball too. You can take that off. Oh, you can tighten it or loosen it. Doesn't really give you the option to take it off. No, you can't take it off, so that has to stay on there. On the back we have a mic, HD USB. So that probably has to be hanging the whole time you use any of that. HD. Almost looks like a HDMI, but it's not. It's something smaller. So that would have to stay off. It says charging and busy, so that's nice. They'll tell you when it's working. That's probably the on and off. Very simple. I like this. So simple. None of that crazy crap. Full-size SD card slot, or you can use an adapter and use one of your micros. The battery fits right in there. It's got just one clip. That clip feels really good. Slide this battery in there. It fits very nice and snug. It don't wiggle or nothing. That's great. This is really good for the price so far. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it turns itself on. I don't need to be pushing a button. This is supposed to flip. Let's see if it flips clear around. No, it just flips forward and or back. Let's see what the front lens looks like with it off. Pops off like a normal one. Oh, it's got a light up there. I was told it did not have a light. I did see a button here. Right there. I'm going to make it look at me. That's looking up at my... It just shut off. There's my head. Okay, so that works. You don't have any viewing area, so you have to look through this at all times. So that looks good. Let's put the cover back on until we make sure everything's good. Yeah. That seems pretty nice. And it shuts itself off when you shut that. The light should go out. Yep. And there is the unboxing.